Okay, back in the garage here. I bought these door slides off Amazon. You guys can see this. So thought they might be pretty decent. I don't know. They had a lot. That was a lot more expensive, but they did have cheaper ones too. So, but I don't really know. But it seemed pretty nice. So I don't know. Find out, I guess. But there's a soft close there. But I don't know. We'll try and see what they do. So this door here is going to be for the bottom. Yeah, let's see what it's going to look like here. Another big clamp here somewhere. This garage is seems like I can't get it caught up with me. I feel like I got like 600 projects going. Like that. Maybe I can do it like that. My plan is to glue it and staple it. I think the sun is coming out. Should have that thing turned over. That might work. I think I mentioned it might work, right? I think they're on glue. It's paintable. I hope, because I got it everywhere. Got that. And I got to cut some inside pieces. 7 and I like 3/4. 7 and I like 3/4. 7 and 3/4 right. Something else I need to get to. I need to get some better clamps. Okay, new battery. So remember where I'm at. Not bad. Didn't miss a one. It's pretty good. So thought I'd have a box built. You guys probably didn't see it, but we was doing that clean out in that restaurant, and that was an old orange or a lemon slicer. And I've had it here forever. Don't put a handle in it, and I got working on it. Then I don't know. It all went to heck, but that's perfect for that. Well, I think I just need to go peel a small blade off of that. Hang on a second. Be right back. That was a half of a blade. Oh, it's a perfect fit. Let me sand that off just a touch, but that's fine. You know, I didn't glue the other sides. Nope. I probably wish I would have, maybe. I don't know why I did that. I got one done. Make the face for it, but yeah. That's a little bouncy. Barely got that one in there. Push down a little harder. Keep the bounce out of it. Shoot, 1 or 2 in that one. Put them on there backwards, didn't I? Again. Yeah, well, this is what I'm using with porta cable 1-inch staples, and they work excellent in that Milwaukee. If I buy one of them guns, they work good and pretty cheap. Yeah, just nothing cheap. But 7 and I like 3/4. Be right back. I think I like it. Bragging about my little glue holder, and that won't hold nothing. Falling over. That didn't work out very well. A little bit of this left. I'm gonna fill a couple of these holes. A little bit here. Plywood got a few nail holes in it. It's actually the I took that when we remodeled that RV's. Ouch. We turned the roof off, and them two came up pretty easy. Looked pretty nice, so I brought a couple home pieces. Cut that open. There'll be nothing left in it. It's any good. Not bad. Just get into it. It is a little dry. Moistened up a little bit. I think that's working out very well. Pretty dry. That's any better. That's a little better. Actually, I can't say a lot better, but it's a little better. Let's see. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna do some cleaning up. Let that all set up for that glue, and I'm gonna give it a coat of paint here in a little bit. Anyway, if that's it for today, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, if it helped, and leave a comment, any questions. And this is it. Hope to see you on the next one.